In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a one-page Framer website with AI. To get started, open Framer and head to your projects area. This is where all of your site files live, so if you already have a project ready, you'll be able to jump right in from here. If you're managing multiple pages or designs, just take a second to make sure you're opening the correct one before moving on. Once you're in Framer, click on your page to open it. This brings you into the editor, where you can actually begin building and updating the website. If your workspace looks busy at first, don't worry. The main goal here is simply to get inside the page you want AI to help create or improve. Next, click on Agent. This is the AI tool inside Framer that helps generate content and lay out ideas based on your instructions. Think of it as your built-in assistant for quickly creating a one-page website without having to design every section manually from scratch. After that, type in your prompt. This part is important because the quality of your result depends a lot on how clearly you describe what you want. Be specific about the kind of one-page website you're creating, the style you want, and the sections you'd like included. For example, you might describe the business type, the tone, and the overall look you're going for. Clear prompts usually lead to better first drafts and save time on edits later. When your prompt is ready, press Enter to submit it. Framer will begin generating the page for you. At this point, give it a moment to finish processing. You don't need to click around while it works. Once it's done, you'll see the newly created page appear in the page area. That's it. From there, you can review the result and continue refining the page inside Framer as needed.